Hi guys, today's video I'm trying to get to the end of that block of the salt. Oh please bro, don't throw me bro. Please. Thank God bro. Thank God. Yay! Oh my God. Oh my God. Close one. That was close. Hey. Ooh. Oh my God. Close. That was close. Oh wow. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God. Boom. Boo. Boo XXIT. Come on. Promo guys. Promo. Promo. Promo activated. Don't mind them guys. My cousin. Don't mind him. This is my cousin. Don't, don't say. Ignore that. Guys, just ignore that. The one who's talking right now is just my cousin. That's why I always talk. And then there's a caramel. I don't know why there's caramel. I talk while I'm the don't mind that too. They're playing Roblox too, but a different game in Roblox. Oh my God. I think I just but, oh, have you? Oh, you need global. I know my avatar looks super ugly. Not sorry about that. I'm not that rich. Oh! To it video. Jeez. I am super mad at this game right now. LOL.